and it starts to calm down. Am I happy with it? Yes. Is it obnoxious? Just that first 15 to 20 seconds. And it has a nice rumble inside the cab while you're driving. Honestly, if you're not getting on it, you really don't hear much at all. It's not obnoxious. Again, just that cold start. So to go through it real quick, it's a flex pipe, and believe it or not, I do not know why it's a tough time finding a 2 3/4 inside diameter flex pipe, but it seems to be a little tough. I had to order mine from Napa, and the clamps, the flex pipe is 2 3/4 inside diameter, because the stock pipe on the truck is 2 3/4 outside diameter. And let me tell you, it is a very snug fit, at least on the rear pipe that went to the dual exhaust. The one coming from the engine wasn't as bad, but it was, all in all, it was extremely easy to do. I cut it right after the flapper valve, which you can see here. I wanted the flapper valve going because it was meaningless. Because luckily, my custom happened to come from the factory without AFM. So the whole 8-cylinder to 4-cylinder process that is disgusting in my opinion wasn't even on the truck, so the flapper valve was useless. All you need is a sawzall. Cut the pipe off, you buy the pieces, you know, a socket and a wrench, and you're good to go. Yeah, it's just I wanted a V8 sound, and as of now you can tell it was just a rumble. It sounds like a V8, and when you get on it, it definitely sounds like a V8. But as far as comfort on the highway with the drone everybody's worried about, no. You keep your foot at a regular, normal speed, and everything is fine. And when you get on it, you will hear it. Everyone will hear it. And yes, the resonators are blocked off. And as I stated in my other video, another experiment I did was I couldn't understand why everyone was going crazy with exhaust tape, expensive exhaust tape. So I simply experimented with Gorilla Tape, and it's on there. It hasn't burnt off, it hasn't fallen off. I am a big lover of Gorilla Tape, and it worked fine. It actually did change the tone, was just covering the resonators. Not extremely noticeable, but it did add a little bit of a deeper tone to it. But once you do the muffler delete, yeah, it's a big difference. But I don't know if you, my problem was when I was researching this was